So, how many doses of the vaccine shall be given, Doc? And would it be for free or may costing po ito?
Generally speaking, most of the vaccines are going to be given at least 2 doses. Dalawang beses po, at least 21 or 28 days apart. Meron po mga exceptions po ito. Meron mga vaccines din na once lang po ibibigay. But what we don't know as of now is how often would you give it? Will it be given every year, every 2 years, every 3 years? Hindi pa po natin alam because we have to see whether the antibodies will persist long enough to confer protective immunity to the recipient. So sa ngayon pa lang alam natin is yung number of initial doses, but we don't know how frequently it will be given. That will come out as we have more people being vaccinated and as we follow up the antibody levels of those people who will be given vaccines. Costing, it depends on how we will get them. So ang costing po, may negotiations na ginagawa ang ating government with the different companies and also through the COVAX facility which I mentioned a while ago. In the COVAX facility, it includes some of the leading vaccine developers, and this is organized by the WHO with the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness and Gavi, the Global Alliance for Vaccines. At due to this facility, we qualify to get for free po, 20% of our national demand. So when they say 20%, that's 20% of the population. If we have a population of 100 million or 105 million, just to round off, that means we have a guaranteed 20 million people to be vaccinated if we are going to accept the terms of the COVAX facility. Since we are classified as a low-middle income country, the government will not pay anything to get access to this vaccine. However, orders above 20% of our demand, for example, we want to vaccinate 70% of the population, which is the directive of the president, then we have to pay for the remaining 50%, and that price will be also negotiated. But the government has allotted money to vaccinate all of the target populations, particularly the poor. And there is a prioritization program that has been set up na po kung sino yung prioritize. So that is already being finalized by the Department of Health because sila po ang in charge dyan sa kung sino po ang unang makakatanggap ng bakuna na ipamamahagi ng ating pamahalaan.